There you go, fun fact of
Who's
the
this
day.
dude?
No, that
What's it? Here we are now. I don't know what this area is, but there's an alley trike here. There's a young lady sort of pouting her lips and rears her head out of the rear window and raises her brassiere. Good morning, Slapjack and Beans here. What a lovely morning. 25 degrees it's going to be today in sunny England. Beautiful. Anyway, so we're riding off today after a link up. We're going down to the We'll Meet Again Museum. We'll Meet Again, there it is there, look. We'll Meet Again, I think Vera Lindsay actually, I can hear her singing away. There's young Steve over there looking grizzled up with his summer hat on, looks like a Rommel. And this is Big Bruce here, look, you know Big Bruce. He's here,
Little
look.
Bruce nowadays.
Yes.
Did you nearly get it in the face with a big pair of boobies?
Yeah, and then as we were coming down, there's a young lady slaps her tits out of a taxi, which I didn't see. But these all saw it, like, well, I just didn't see it happen. But it could have been some good clickbait for the site. This is a very nice little museum if you're into this sort of thing. I personally can do it or not, but. And down here, look, I'm going to get some water.
Beautiful. Should we go back to the Andrews sisters? Is this the railroad? I want a one-way ticket down to Tennessee. I'm leaving immediately. Chattanooga, here I come. Pardon me, boy. Is that the Chattanooga choo-choo? Right on track 29. Well, you can give me a shine. I can afford to board the Chattanooga choo-choo. I got my fare, and just a trifle to spare. You leave the Pennsylvania station by the quarter to four. Read a magazine and then you're in Baltimore. Dinner in the diner, nothing could be finer than to have your ham and eggs in Carolina. When you hear the whistle blowing into the fire, then you know that Tennessee is not very far. Shovel on the coating, gotta keep it rolling. Woo-hoo, Chattanooga, there you are. There's gonna be a certain party at the station in
Don't confuse
Right, just go somewhere to Mr. Paul.
Right hand marker's the easiest bit. Behave your bloody self.
innit?
Rabble.
No, that.
Here, look. This young lady's got it. Here, look. About half an hour, he says. Oh, there's two of them. Two lads.
Kick their legs. What about you two ladies? Come on, let's see those sexy legs.
Sounds like me. That's organ grinder. Not the monkey, the organ grinder.
Sing, sing, sing. Everybody's got to sing.
Have you done that, Bruce?
Now you're singing with a swing. When the music goes around, everybody goes to town. Just hear the mood. Hear the mood. Hear the mood. Get dancing in the mood now. If you ever go down to Trinidad, they make you feel so very glad. Calypso sing and make a right. Guarantee you one real good fine time. Drink a rum and Coca-Cola. Go down Point Cumana. Both mother and daughter working for the Yankee dollar. Oh, tickle, tickle, They sing, sing, sing in yeah. Every little Russian says da 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 da.
A picture of all of us with the girls.
Yeah, well, go on then. You don't mind, go. Right, so here we are then. We're just getting ready now to leave the museum. And Molly wants to go to the sports bike shop. There we go. So we're going down. Look at all their potatoes. We've just had carrots, I think, and something else. And there's tons of it out here in Boston. Well, this is where they grow everything, isn't it? Here in Boston, everything comes from here, I think. I don't know what that is. That looks like some sort of wheat. So there's the Boston Church in the over the old bridge here. Oh, it's warm now. You can't say it's not warm now because it is. Okay, it's Flapjack and Beans here, welcome back to the channel. We're now leaving the sports bike shop. Marcus hasn't got his boots changed, he's got to post them as it happens anyway, so who gives a fuck to that, so we'll sort it out. We're on our way now to the cake stop, so we'll catch you in a bit. Okay, here we are now back in workshop on this glorious, glorious day. Very nice day. 28 degrees I've got now. Yeah, it was a strange day in some ways. Everybody says that you have to, when you've got a YouTube site, you've got to look for what they call clickbait, which is generally a large-breasted lady or something sexy or something like that, whatever. Which of course I don't have any of those on at hand in my repertoire. So as we were riding along today, I went up behind a vehicle to do an overtake, a perfectly legal overtake, and it was a taxi, a black cab. I don't know whether it was owned by a driver or it was a proper black, I don't know. But just as I got just to the rear of it, there's a young lady sort of pouting her lips and rears her head out of the rear window and raises her brassiere. But I missed it because I hadn't done an overtake. Of course, I look in the mirror and all lads are there, Moe and Mick, and not Mick, Moe and Richard and Steve, and they're all taking the time out at 5 mile an hour going past because she was really hanging out at window apparently, but I missed it also. Plus I weren't filming, so I ain't got camera on, so there'd have been no clickbait anyway, so that was rubbish. And then, as is my wont, I did the route today to the Mr. Saw, because he's tossing it off as usual. And so I did a route and I put a little Ford in it for Grizzly, which was dry. And then it took us down a real gravelly off-the-road track, and I said to Richard, shall we do it? And he said, yeah, because he's got his new Continental tyres on, I've got Michelin road tyres on. But it was good, I mean, it was challenging in parts. But we went down there. Of course I ain't got camera on again, so we got none of that either. So I didn't get the footage what I'd have liked today, but it's been an enjoyable day anyways. So yeah, so that's what happens when you're out GoProing or whatever you want to call it, YouTubing. So here we are on the last little leg home.
There you go, fun fact of
Who's
the
this
day.
dude?
How
Yeah.
that little
What's this?
ball-
It's a model, this, isn't it, Mo? Is it real?
Yeah, but
And that was a little video of our little trip to the WW2 Museum at Freiston Boston. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, it would help. Then please give me a like. Thank you, take care, ride safe.